I need you to understand this. Figma is for designing the blueprint of a website, and WordPress is for actually building the website. They are not the same thing, and trying to use one to do the other's job will lead to a lot of frustration. In this video, we are going to do a simple comparison of Figma and WordPress to show you exactly how these two powerful tools work together as a team. Let's start with Figma. Figma is a professional design tool. Its entire purpose is to help you plan and design what your website will look and feel like before you ever start to build it. It is the creative and planning stage of the process. This is where you decide on your colors, your fonts, and the layout of every single page. You use Figma to create beautiful, high-quality mock-ups of your website. You can also build interactive prototypes that let you and your clients click through the design as if it were a real live website. It is the perfect tool for figuring out the user experience and perfecting the visual design before any of the real building work begins. Now let's talk about WordPress. WordPress is what is known as a content management system, or a CMS. Its main job is to take your finished design and turn it into a real live website on the internet that people can actually visit. This is the construction phase of the process. This is where you actually build your pages, upload your images, and write all of your content. You use different themes and page builders inside of WordPress to construct the website based on the perfect blueprint you already created in Figma. WordPress manages all the technical parts of your website, like the pages, the blog posts, and all the underlying code, making it accessible to the entire world. So, which one should you choose? The answer is that professional web designers and teams use both. They do not compete with each other. They are two different essential steps in the same project. A smart and efficient workflow always starts in Figma. You create, change, and perfect your design in Figma first. This is because making design changes in a design tool is much faster and easier than trying to make big design changes on a live website. Once the design is approved and looks perfect, you then move to WordPress to build the actual site based on that finished design. To put it as simply as possible, you design in Figma and you build in WordPress. Understanding this professional workflow is the key to creating better websites much faster and with a lot less frustration. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this clears up the confusion between these two amazing tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.